Hello beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video I'm excited because I wanted to do a little glam look for the holidays, use my favorite red lip shade, and do something fun with a new palette that I found at TJ Maxx that I got for a really affordable price. So stay tuned to see what palette that is and to see how I created this look. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so for my base, I think I'm gonna use my favorite, which is the Infallible one by L'Oreal. This is like my holy grail. I truly love this one. I've never stopped loving it. It's always been my favorite. I always go back to it. Looking for my mirror. Why do I always lose everything? And I'm just starting the video. So I do one pump on one side and another pump on the other one. Basically that covers half of my face with just one pump. So basically for my entire face I use two pumps. I thought it'd be fun to do like a little holiday makeup look. Crap, I was gonna start with my eyes first and I always forget that. I forgot again. December is here and I'm all for it. It's about time. It feels like we've been waiting for December for months and months and months. I just love the coverage it has. So I know a lot of people love like the dewy, glowy foundation. You could use a primer that's glowy to make this one more luminous. I don't usually use a primer with this foundation. I don't need it with this foundation, so I skip on it. But if you want to make this more glowy, you could use a primer that's glowy. And for concealer, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh, which is hydrating, and that's what my mature eyes prefer. And it has good coverage, so it's one of the good ones because it's hydrating. It's not gonna make your eyes look cakey or dry, which is great. It doesn't emphasize fine lines, but it has good coverage. For powder, I'm going to be setting my face. No, first I'm going to actually add a cream blush by e.l.f. I have this one. It's in shade... it's too tiny, I can't see it. This is not one of the new ones. This is one of the old ones, but I do want to get the new one. The shade Lilac, I think it's called, Lavender. Oh, it looks so beautiful. The shade looks so beautiful because it's on the purpley side, like lilac. It's so pretty, but this is not new. This is one of the old ones, which I keep forgetting that they're very, 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 very pigmented. And a little bit goes a long way. I put way too much. As you can see, I'm gonna have to tone that down. And I also want to try their bronzers in this formula. They came up with bronzers and contours, which I'm dying to try them out. And I completely forgot to get that for Black Friday. So right now I'm looking like a clown, but that's okay because I'm gonna tone it down, don't worry. I mean, if you love really intense pigmented blushes, you gotta try these out because these are it. Now I'm gonna set everything with the Milk Makeup. This is the Pore Eclipse Translucent Loose Powder. I got this at TJ Maxx and I've been liking it. It's the matte version. I don't know if they come with a regular version, but this one's matte. I literally put this all over because I do have an oily T-zone. And I want to secure that and make my makeup last longer. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover in this portion of the video because I had left for 1 second. And then I came back and I forgot to connect my microphone. So basically what I'm saying here is that I put tape on the edges of my eyes to create a sharp edge, which I haven't done in a while. Plus I also wanted to explain that I'm going to be using this palette by Mcgrath Labs. This is the Jewel Temptation palette and it also brings 2 blushes. So I found this palette at TJ Maxx for $20, but I did a little research and I searched the website to see how much it actually costs on retail, and it's $76. Plus they also did a Black Friday sale and they had it for 30 something dollars. I think it was 38, but still if you grab it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, it's way cheaper for 20 bucks. So I'm gonna let you watch the portion of the eye look now. I just realized I didn't have my microphone connected. That's how I'm gonna start December. Hopefully you could actually hear what I'm saying. I hate when that happens. But so what I'm gonna do now is add mascara. I got some Ardell lashes here. These are the So Wispy lashes, and I'll be back. So this palette does have two blushes up here. I think I'm gonna mix both and see if I like it. Let's see. I do have that elf one at the bottom, but oh yeah, I see it. I thought it was gonna be deeper, but it's okay, it's fine. I like subtle blushes anyway. Very rosy. There at TJ Maxx, I also found this one by ColourPop. This is the Super Shock Shadows, and this one's in the shade I Heart This. So I used to own one from ColourPop, the Super Shock Shadows. I think it was called Flexitarian, and it was pretty. I don't know what happened to that. I think I lost it. But this one I haven't tried, and it has like little glitter particles in it. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Right there. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it's very glittery. Okay. Well, you know, for special occasions like this, I think is great, I guess. On a daily basis, I don't like adding like glitter products to my complexion unless it's in the eyes. But it's pretty. It's just not for me. But again, for like holidays and stuff like that, I think it's great. I'm actually gonna add this as well in the inner corner right in here to brighten this a little bit more. And in the brow bone. Look at that glow. That is gorgeous. Wow. It's very intense. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna use the Milani lip liner. This is in shade Brazen Berry. It's a dark plum color because I have like the perfect red that I want to show you. I have like the perfect red, and I bought this, I think it was Marshall's. I found it. This is the, I think it was by Revolution. It doesn't say in the packaging. It's a collaboration with the Corpse Bride. It's this one. And this is the shade Victoria. Look how gorgeous this red. And this red, I used it for Thanksgiving. It stayed on all day. It's matte, but it's super comfortable on the lips. It does not feel dry on your lips at all. And you know I have dry lips, and this is like the only matte that I love, the formula, because it's super hydrating. It stays matte. It's long wearing, and it doesn't dry your lips. It's great. I love this shade. Okay, so for the last step, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup setting spray. This one's matte. Okay, so that's everything. I gotta say that I do like this palette. That's pretty shades. I think it's great for the holidays. So if you grab it at $20, definitely grab it at $20, because I don't think it's worth like $76 or whatever the price was, the original price. If you could get it with a discount or find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, grab it there because it's just 20 bucks. These are more on the blushes are more on the subtle side, so if you like that, great. The shimmers, I wish they would pop more, in my opinion, for the price, especially if you get it retail price. But they're okay. They're okay. The mattes are great. I wish this one was a little bit more pigmented, but it's fine. I still like it, and I'm glad that I purchased it for 20 bucks. So like I said, stay tuned because Vlogmas is right around the corner. I'm going to be doing 12 days of Vlogmas, and I hope you enjoyed those videos. And if you do want to show your support, just give those videos a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, because that helps me out a lot. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a great day or night, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.